Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all. Welcome back to Muslim Resolve. So inshallah in today's video we will gonna learn how to make a Quran video like this.
وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ يَضِيقُ صَدْرُكَ بِمَا يَقُولُونَ فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَكُن مِّنَ السَّاجِدِينَ وَاعْبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينُ.
So first of all we have to open DaVinci Resolve and we have to take an ayah. So I'll just take it from my Instagram account. I'm gonna download this.
إِنَّا كَفَيْنَاكَ الْمُسْتَهْزِئِينَ.
So I'll just import that. I'll try to make a long video, but you can do this in the short form also. Just create a timeline by pressing Ctrl+N and create. If you want to create a short form or reel form, so you can just click on Ctrl+N and untick over here and just go to the format section and click vertical resolution. If you don't find this resolution, you can just swap this, okay, or click here and just create. So you can see the vertical resolution has been created. Okay, I'll go with the another format. Ctrl+N and this and just create, and I'll just import that audio that I have downloaded from my channel.
إِنَّا كَفَيْنَاكَ الْمُسْتَهْزِئِينَ.
I'll just right click this and unlink the clips and just delete this one, so I have clear audio.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون.
So I'll just see the surah. It's surah 15 verse number 95 to 99. Okay, so I'll just see. I'll just go to the previous Quran and surah number it was surah 15 Al-Hijr ending part. From here verse number 95. I'm gonna use now another font. I just click setting and just click on the reading section. You will get the page number 267. Okay, now we will copy this and we will go to the effects panel. We will go to the title and just drag and drop text plus and we will just paste that. Now you can see nothing is over here. We will change the page number. It was Q, press Q to get this Q font and 267. Here, this one. I'll just increase the size a little bit and just adjust this. I'll just do this to have a fade in and fade out effect.
إِنَّا كَفَيْنَاكَ الْمُسْتَهْزِئِينَ.
Just copy this and paste this. Again go to the translation. Just copy whole and paste whole.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون.
Again paste. Again copy. Again paste.
وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ يَضِيقُ صَدْرُكَ بِمَا يَقُولُونَ.
Again paste.
فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَكُن مِّنَ السَّاجِدِينَ وَاعْبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينُ.
Okay, select all and press Alt and just click like this above, so duplicate will be copied from here. So now we will change the color of this, maybe yellow. Okay, and just copy this and paste over here, so that same color it will be for everything. So now you can see everything looks yellow. Okay, but behind this it's white color. See, you can see I am just disabling this video, right? Everything is white. So now we have to go to the very first frame, and for time being I'm just doing like this so that I can see. Now we will go to the upper section, that yellow part. Now we will go to the setting tab, and over here cropping, we have to crop from left. See, now everything is white. We'll just have a keyframe over here. Just it should start here. So I'll just click this
إنا
inna. So I will just click do like this and have a keyframe automatically.
كفيناك
Kafainakal. Now we will just do this
المستهزئين
Stasi, and we will just do like this. Now see,
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين الذين
again we will do the same. I'll just do like this for time being, and again we have to do this.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون
Just do like this. It's a shortcut of it. Just do.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون
Again we will do like this and go to the first frame. Same over here also. Click keyframe.
ولقد نعلم أنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون
And just drag like this.
فسبح
Again I will do for time being. Click a keyframe until it become white and just play.
فسبح بحمد ربك وكن من الساجدين
Again same step. Make a keyframe on the upper one until it become white.
واعبد ربك حتى يأتيك اليقين
And now we can play.
إنك
Now first of all, before playing, let me adjust this. So once this is done, just see.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون ولقد نعلم أنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون فسبح بحمد ربك وكن من الساجدين واعبد ربك حتى يأتيك اليقين.
Now you can add translation also from here. Just copy this part and add another text layer. Just fade in and fade out. I'll just adjust the size and this maybe more small like this. Yep, looks good now. So I'll just copy this and paste. So now you can see.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين.
If you want to add something more like glowy, you can just go to the effects section, add adjustment clip over here and just drag this till the end. So we will click over here and just right click over this and open in Fusion. And now just click over and press Shift plus spacebar and write glow, and just click here like this and adjust this accordingly according to your likings. Like this also, anything you can do. See, this look good.
أنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون فسبح بحمد ربك وكن.
If you want to add a background below this, just right click over here and add tracks, and just select this and put it above and add a background. I have downloaded this. I'll just drag and drop over here. Now you can see nothing is visible. First of all, I'll just adjust the size, and I'll just adjust this like this maybe, and just decrease the opacity maybe 20. So now see.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين الذين يجعلون مع الله إله.
So that's it for today, inshallah. Hope you like the video. Let me know what else do you want me to make. I'll try to make the next video of that, inshallah. Until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.